Hello everyone, let's calculate cube root by prime factorization method. Here is the number 216. What will we see? This is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Let's start with 2. 2 is stable, 2 ones are 2. 1 is less than 2, so it will be 0. And 16, 2 8s are 16. Then again this is an even number, so we will divide it by 2. 2 stable, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now again this is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 7s are 14. Now this is not an even number, this is an odd number. 3 की table में आता है 27. How many times? 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Now we are left with 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we will make a group of 3 numbers, same numbers, and we will take. अब हमें क्या करना है? 1 2 लेना है from this pair, and we will make a group of these 3 numbers, same numbers, and one number from here, that is 3. So the cube root of 216 is 2 multiplied by 3, that is 2 3s are 6. Let's take one more example. Let's find out cube root of 512. 512, this is an even number. So this is divisible by 2. 2 stable, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 2 6s are 12. Now again this is an even number. So let's divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Again this is an even number. So divide by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. This is an even number. Divided by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Even number. So divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again this is an even number. So 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now we are left with 2. 2 की table में 2 आएगा 1 times पे. So 2 1s are 2. Now we will make group of 3 numbers, 3 same numbers. This is another group. Now we have 3 2s here, 2 from here, multiply by 1 2 from here, and this is also 2. So we will write 2 here. So how many 2s we have? 3 times. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the cube root of 512 is number 8. Now I am giving a question. You have to solve it and write the answer in comments. Find out the cube root of 1728.